Welcome back everyone. Today I've got a really nice, simple but flavorful recipe for you. I'm going to be making a green potato salad with some homemade yogurt in our dressing. Now with Christmas coming up and summer coming up as well, this is a great side dish to put on the table and everyone's going to be really happy. Let's get straight into it. Now, potato salads are often packed full of things like sour cream and mayonnaise, which are really great, but I actually really do prefer using yogurt for the dressing base. And it's also a really great way to use up some of that extra homemade yogurt if you're making your own at home as well. It gives it a really nice light and fresh flavor to something that can be a little bit stodgy traditionally. So the first thing I'm going to do is get these potatoes on the boil. I've got a kilo of cocktail potatoes or baby potatoes, whatever you can get your hands on. I'm going to get them into a pot of cold water to start, bring it up to a gentle simmer and cook them until they're cooked through and nice and tender. Next, I'm going to fry off 200 grams of streaky bacon until it's crispy and then drain it on some paper towel. So onto the dressing now, and the Vibe blender is going to do all the work for me, which I love. Quick and easy. I've got my yogurt, some olive oil, some fresh herbs. I'm going to go with mint and parsley today, and then some chopped fresh chives to finish with. But you could really use whatever combination of herbs you like or whatever's available at the time. Add 1 cup of homemade yogurt to the blender jug, along with 1/4 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil. Add the juice of half a lemon and 1 garlic clove. Then add a large handful of mint leaves and a large handful of continental parsley. Season with a good pinch of salt and black pepper. Blend on smoothie mode for around 20 seconds. So I've got all of the elements ready to go now. I'm letting these potatoes cool down a little bit, and I'm going to serve this salad warm, but you can also serve it cold and it'll be just as good. To build the salad, chop up the bacon and the chives. Break up the potatoes into small chunks and put them into a large bowl. Add the dressing to the potatoes along with 3/4 of the bacon and 3/4 of the chives. Toss it all together and then transfer it to a serving bowl. To finish, garnish the top with the extra bacon and chives and drizzle a bit of olive oil over the top. So there you have it, a little twist on the potato salad for you. We've got that probiotic yogurt dressing in there. It's loaded with flavor, so next time you're on potato salad duty, have a go at this one and let us know what you think in the comment section below. As always, hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life recipes, and if you enjoyed this one today, then give it a like for us, and we're going to be back really soon with another great recipe.